So this is our EE100B final project, and this is what it looks like.
Alright, we're gonna measure VDIF1 first. It's right here. It's about 1.6 volts peak to peak, and the frequency is about 700 hertz.
Okay.
Now we're gonna measure the second VDIF. Okay. Auto. Zoom out. Okay, pause it. Frequency is 6.9 kilohertz, and the peak to peak voltage is 1.34 volts. Okay. Now we're going to measure the summing amplifier, the output of the summing amplifier. Okay, it's auto. Zoom out. Pause. There you go. Peak to peak voltage is 11.3 volts, and you can see that it's a 700 hertz wave and with a 7k hertz signal in it. Okay. Now.
Okay, so now the next thing we're gonna measure is the DAC output, and that's gonna be here. And we're gonna auto. And what is this? Okay. What is that? I think we're gonna have to stop. What's going on here?
Just keep going. Try to get. Okay, I can see it.
Right. It looks more like a sine wave though than steps. It should be a step sinusoidal. So, oops, I think that was the wrong one. This is the DAC.
Oh, wrong one.
Dang it. Yeah, that's all. There we go.
Yeah,
Oops.
there you go. Actually, the steps.
Okay, so here we can see, since we used a 3-bit ADC and DAC converter, we have, looks like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So those are 8 steps measured. Okay. And then, what's the next thing?
Next thing is filters.
The filter.
Alright, yeah. Now we're gonna measure the filters. This is a 700 hertz filter. Okay. Auto. And this is what we're getting output from the DAC. It's going to be about 699 hertz. Yep. Now we're going to measure the second filter. Okay. Auto. This is output for the second filter, and it's about 7K oscillating. About 6.7 kilohertz at 17 volts peak to peak. Okay.
For the V out.
And V out. Auto. Here, pause. This is a 700 hertz V out. Pause it. Getting about 4.24 volts peak to peak with 750 hertz. Okay.
And then now for the other filter, the one that we measured earlier accidentally, we get a, let's see, we get a 7K, approximately 7K with 3.6 VPP, which is within our specs. And then this is our 8-ohm speakers, and we're gonna turn them on. If we connect them to ground, they'll start making their noise. That's the 700 one, and this one is the 7K.
High pitched.
So now we're gonna measure the current through them, and we do this by breaking the circuit. So for this is a 700, and we get a current AC of about 20 milliamps. And then for the 7K, we also get a current of about 20 milliamps in AC current.
And that's our final EE100B final project. I guess you can just put like YouTube tabs over that.